Hey everyone, welcome to the video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can step by step find out how to become an affiliate marketer and how you can build your business online. It's all about making money, and I'm going to show you the training that is going to show you step by step exactly how to do this. Okay, this is the exact training that I used. This is what I encourage people who are serious about becoming affiliate marketers and becoming online business owners, that they would first of all get all the education you can. Any training you can find, I would encourage that, and any continuing education. Things are always changing on the internet, so it's important to kind of keep up to date with everything. For instance, AI, that wasn't here a couple years ago, and now it's here to stay, it looks like. So I would encourage anybody to get as much training as you can and learn as much as you can from people who are doing it currently and who have found success in the affiliate marketing space. So I wanted to show you that today. If you're new to the channel, my name is Elizabeth, and I'm an affiliate marketer, and I teach other people how to do affiliate marketing of their own, whatever niche it might be. And I am a big proponent of Wealthy Affiliate. This is where I learned how to do all of the things I do with affiliate marketing. This is where I learned how to build a website and how to promote it. It just has the best training that I've found online. That's why I always suggest anybody who's looking to make money online, this is how they do it. So let's just dive right in. I wanted to show you this feature on Wealthy Affiliate's website. It's under the Hub section. And the Hub section is really just kind of your main back office, or your main office, really, where you go for your training. Is where you can do your writing tasks. You can see it all over here, your websites. It's just kind of your back office, I like to call it. But one of the things that we're going to talk about today is really the training, the step-by-step training. So right here, as you can see, you've got core training and traffic training. I'll talk a little bit here about the core training first. So this is where you obviously want to get started, and this is where you want to start your journey in affiliate marketing. Here in phase 1, you've got the Getting Started classes. There's 5 lessons within this. Basically it's just getting you introduced to the idea of how you're going to make money, what niche you want to go into, choosing your brand, just the basics right here. And then in the phase 2, you've got 17 lessons. These are, of course, available if you're a premium member or a premium plus member. And that's another thing. I actually always suggest anybody that's really serious about making money online and making this your full-time income, that you go ahead and become a premium member at least. Premium plus is what I am, and it's well worth the money. You do have to invest in yourself, and this is where it is so valuable for me because of all the extras that you get along with that, including training, as well as websites, domain names, all that. So that's just my opinion. You can obviously be a free member if you'd like, but if you're really, really serious about it, I would highly suggest upgrading. And here's some of what you're going to get, obviously. So this phase 2, you're going to register your domain. This is about adding your logo, your privacy policies, all of that. And here we've got 9 lessons in growth and momentum. This is all kind of about your SEO, your optimizing your site in different ways, and you're going to go through all these lessons right here. And then, of course, depending on your niche, they have this phase 4 here, which is promoting. You have all these lessons, promoting a wealthy affiliate in general, but it also, I think these are valuable lessons for whatever niche you're in, to be honest. It shows you how to promote your affiliate links. Okay, and then I wanted to show you this over here, this traffic training. Once you've got everything set up, and maybe you've been an affiliate marketer for a while, and you're just looking to boost your business and really grow your affiliate business, this traffic training is so valuable. It has everything you could really want. Here, as you can see, it's search engine optimization. You've got all these online classes about SEO, creating mobile-friendly websites, very important, user-generated content, social media. This is one that I'm kind of honing in on this particular month coming up because I wanted to get a little bit more into the social media, promoting on social media, not just on my website or on YouTube. So we've got all these lessons here, understanding the latest trends in social media, for instance. And these are, as you can see, they're about an hour long. And it just gives you so much valuable information that's going to be helpful for you and help you build your business. Here we've got YouTube, pay-per-click, email marketing, artificial intelligence. Okay, and now they're always adding to these lessons, so these are just kind of your core lessons so far. And then, of course, there's WordPress, designing your site and kind of working within WordPress. So this alone is worth the membership, the Premium Plus membership. It is by far, all in one space, everything you really need to know in order to build your business and in order to be successful. I love that. I love learning as much as I can. And this is just one place where it's, like I said, I'm going to be focusing on social media this coming month. So these lessons right here, I'm going to get started with those. And it's going to be probably a game changer for me. And it's going to get me out there so much faster. And I'm so excited about that. So that's one reason I wanted to share that with you today. Not just the core training, which is obviously very important if you're starting out, but this traffic training is going to be a game changer for anybody that's already an affiliate marketer, or if you're beginning and you're going to obviously stick with it, then you're going to want to know how to implement these strategies, and they're going to help you build your business. So that's it today, guys. It was kind of a short video. I just really wanted to touch on this. I think it's so important, and I think it's such a great feature that Wealthy Affiliate has. I will link Wealthy Affiliate in the description if you want to join. And there's so much more to it. This is just one little section that I wanted to highlight today. But if you're looking to get into affiliate marketing and building a website and making money online, like I said, I highly suggest joining Wealthy Affiliate and checking out all that they have to offer. You honestly won't regret it. I didn't, and I am still obviously a member to this day because they are constantly giving so much value and so much training and education that honestly I need. So anyway, like I said, that'll be linked in the description. I hope you like this video. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you know when I come out with videos like this. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.